Hi everyone, welcome to GFX Garage, and today we'll be learning how to reset our essentials. So there are two ways that you could reset your essentials. So if we make I don't have a color and swatches and I have a color purple and I want to make this color purple red and I want my color and swatches back. What I would actually do is reset my essentials. So the first way that you could reset your essentials by clicking on the window, workspace, go down and you have a reset essentials. Now you have the color and swatches and you could change the color too. So now I don't need my layers panel and learn the libraries. I just need this color and swatches. Now I do not want to make another line on my this layer. I want my layers panel back. Now I'll do the second way to reset your essentials. By clicking over here at the right side, you have your essentials. When you go down, you have your reset essentials. Then you have your layer panel back, and you could click a new layer, and then you could make a new line or drag a new line. And this was before, and this is after. So this is how you could reset your essentials. And if you really liked my video and if it was helpful for you, so please subscribe, like and comment, and do not forget to click the bell icon so that you could be updated for my new videos. So thanks for watching.